Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how to find the Swift code of the Union Bank, which you will need to get the quick and the secure international money transfers. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of the Union Bank. So Union Bank has a lot of branches in various different countries. So you can come on the official website of the Union Bank based on your own country. Here you can just try to contact to the customer support team and get your Swift code as per your country and as per your region. You can also use this website to find the Swift codes. You need to come here on bank.codes and fill out this form. Here, first of all, select your country. It can be any country. Let's say it is Philippines. After that, you just have to simply look for the Union Bank of the Philippines. Now select the city and it is going to show you the Swift code as per the details mentioned here. So this way you can just copy the Swift code from here and use it to make the international transactions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.